Korena te whānau, ko Sensei Shane toku ingoa. Today I'm at Coastal School and we are going to be doing a Wānanga today. I'm taking them out to Parihaka to help with the flood recovery work that's going on out there today. So looking forward to getting out there. I'm looking forward to meeting all these kids here at Coastal Taranaki School. So let's go check it out. So just behind me, we've got the students from Coastal Taranaki School that are planting the harakeke. Now this whole area here was underwater basically when the flood happened. The awa is just right behind me, and most of the trees that were planted along here got washed away during the floods. But some of the harakeke that is still on the bankside was able to hold and withstand the flood. So our mission today is to plant more harakeke so that can hold its ground as well, and we're going to plant some native trees along here too. So it's going to be an awesome day, and we couldn't have asked for a better day today, so check it out.
Kia ora koutou, ko Scott Walden tōku ingoa. I'm the tumuaki at Coastal Taranaki School, and today we're here at Parihaka Pā, partnering with the Taranaki iwi and Parihaka Papakainga, riparian planting along the edge of the Waitotoroa River following the recent floods. So today we brought some of our Year 9 and 10 students from Coastal Taranaki School to engage with our whānau here and support the mahi that's going on to strengthen the banks and to try and alleviate damage from any future flooding. At Coastal Taranaki School, we really value our community partnerships, our connection to the whenua, and also kaitiakitanga. So this type of mahi is an authentic learning opportunity for our tamariki, and an opportunity to engage with some of our local whānau and local narratives. So kia ora to Matua Shane and the team for inviting us to participate today. Kia ora tātou.
Kia ora koutou, ko Taiao Bailey tōku ingoa. I'm Chief President of Parihaka Papakainga. Today we've had some kids coming out from Coastal School to help us with the flood recovery, and they're doing main job planting harakeke and native trees along our Waitotoroa. So look, it's a